Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send photos in Google Chat. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to chat.google.com. Once you're on the page, log in using your Google account credentials. This gives you access to all your conversations and spaces where you can share images and files with your contacts. After logging in, you'll land on your main chat dashboard where you can see all your conversations. Here you have the option to open either a space or a direct message. Spaces are great for group conversations, while direct messages are one-on-one chats with specific people. The process for sending photos works the same way in both. For this tutorial, let's click on one of your direct messages to open an existing conversation. This will take you into the chat thread where you can see your message history and start composing new messages. Now, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen. You'll notice the text field where you normally type your messages. This is also where you'll prepare your photo before sending it. Right next to the text field, you'll see several icons for different functions. Look for and click on the upload icon. This button is specifically designed for attaching files and images to your messages, making it easy to share visual content with anyone in your chat. Once you click the upload icon, your computer's file browser will automatically open. This allows you to navigate through your folders and locate the specific image you want to send. Browse through your files until you find the photo you're looking for. When you've found the right image, simply double-click on it. This action selects the file and immediately adds it to your message. There's no need for any additional confirmation at this stage. After double-clicking, the image will appear as a preview directly in the text field area. This preview lets you confirm you've selected the correct photo before sending it. You can see exactly what your recipient will receive, which helps avoid any mistakes. Finally, once you're satisfied with the preview, click the send icon to deliver your photo. The image will be instantly sent to your contact and will appear in the conversation thread for both of you to view. And that's it, you've successfully sent a photo through Google Chat. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.